here's the range. Forgive the very loud power lines, but here, I'm going to be out at that 50-yard berm. That berm right there is about 50 yards. I lased it last time I was here. And I will set the camera here by the car, and I will kind of shoot off that direction, you know, offset from the camera, but that way you can see sort of what it looks and sounds like to get shot at by suppressed 22 subs with night vision. I'm going to turn the lights off so it's all just dark out here. Yeah. I'm going to walk out 50 yards. I'm going to do passive aiming first through the optic, and then I'm going to do laser only aiming, and then I'm going to do laser and illuminator. So 3 shots. I'm going to walk out for 50 yards. Alright, well, I can't count. I said I was going to fire 3 shots, but I fired 9. So you get bonus.